As a private chef with well over 25 years of experience preparing delectable meals in people's homes across the globe, I am frequently approached for suggestions on remarkable culinary gifts for kitchen gadget enthusiasts, as well as indispensable tools for home cooks. Whether you seek to elevate your own kitchen arsenal or embark on a quest for the ideal present, rest assured that I possess a wealth of invaluable insights to share. Whether you are indulging in some self-shopping or embarking on a quest to find that perfect gift, allow me to guide you through an extensive selection of must-have kitchen gadgets and indispensable tools that will undoubtedly satisfy your culinary cravings. There are many products available to choose the best kitchen must-have gadgets for every home, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of best kitchen must-have gadgets for every home from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chefman ExecTemp 12 Quart 5-in-1 Air Fryer. When you need to cook for a bigger crowd and fast, the Chefman ExecTemp 12 Quart Air Fryer is the answer. Prepping food for the big game? Check out my recipe for the best air fryer chicken wings that you can make in just a few minutes in your new air fryer. The Chefman Air Fryer is a true 5-in-1 multifunction kitchen helper that fries, bakes, dehydrates, rotisseries, and roasts to crisp perfection in a single appliance. Boasting a wide range of cooking temperatures from 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this unit heats up quickly and is ready to cook in moments from the time you turn it on. Perfect for feeding the whole family or hosting larger gatherings. Discover the incredible air fryer cheat sheet recipe guide, meticulously curated with over 120+ delectable food entries across 5 diverse categories: bakery, desserts and snacks, poultry and seafood, lamb, pork and beef, and legumes and vegetables. This comprehensive and well-researched guide offers precise and accurate information right at your fingertips, enabling you to conveniently find ideal cooking times and prepare your meals quickly and efficiently. Say goodbye to guesswork and embrace the ease and convenience of achieving perfectly cooked dishes in no time. Number 2. Mercer Culinary Genesis 5-piece kitchen knives. These knives are built to last. From the experts of all things cutlery, the Mercer Genesis Series 5-piece knife set features incredibly superior blade durability, a non-slip Santoprene comfort grip, NSF certification, and is backed by an incredible warranty. As a professional chef for over 25 years, I have relied on these exceptional knives day in and day out for nearly a decade. This essential 5-piece set encompasses all the knives you require for your culinary endeavors at home. It includes a chef's knife, a bread knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife, providing you with a versatile array of blades. To ensure the longevity of your exquisite kitchen knives, it is crucial to follow 2 simple steps. Please exercise caution and avoid relying on random vendors at local flea markets, bait, tackle or outdoor hunting knife outlets, or hardware stores when seeking sharpening services. Your precious knives deserve the expertise of trusted professionals to maintain their exceptional quality and performance. Number 3. Meter Plus Wireless Bluetooth Instant Read Smart Thermometer. The Meter Plus Bluetooth thermometer is a game changer for both amateur and professional chefs. Its advanced technology provides real-time temperature updates directly to your smartphone, ensuring your meats are cooked to perfection every time. The Meter Plus boasts a durable and sleek design, featuring dual temperature sensors to measure both internal meat temperature and ambient cooking conditions. With its impressive battery life and intuitive app interface, you can effortlessly keep track of your culinary creations and achieve restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, this smart thermometer is the ultimate tool for elevating your cooking game. Featuring a 165-foot wireless Bluetooth range, the Meter Plus Bluetooth smart thermometer from Traeger Grills is actually 2 thermometers in one. The wireless battery-powered probe monitors both the internal cooking temperature of meat or the dish you're cooking, but also the ambient air temperature surrounding your food. Gone are the days of having to guess if the item you are cooking is done or up to a safe temperature to consume. Got a grill or oven that's a little too far from your relaxation zone? No sweat. Traeger has got your back with their optional meter Wi-Fi extender and cloud features. These handy add-ons ensure that even if your cooking setup is over 165 feet away, you can still enjoy the benefits of wireless connectivity and stay in control of your cooking process. So sit back, relax, and let the Meter Plus app and its cool features take your cooking game to new heights. Number 4. 3-piece bamboo cutting board set. A knife-safe cutting board set is an absolute must-have in every kitchen in the world. This 3-piece bamboo cutting board set from Royal Craft Wood has all of the most commonly utilized sizes that you would ever need. The importance of using the right cutting surface is paramount to keeping your knives sharp and preventing damage to both your knives and your kitchen surfaces. Bamboo cutting boards are naturally antibacterial, sustainable, and food safe. With proper care, these natural bamboo wood cutting boards will last you for a very long time. Royal Woodcraft 3-piece set of bamboo cutting boards comes in different sizes. 9x6, 12x8 and 15x10 to get any cutting job done easily and quickly. These boards are not your ordinary cutting boards, they come with a handy juice groove. So not only can you chop and dice them, but they're also perfect for carving up juicy meats and veggies. No more messy countertops and spills all over the place, thanks to those clever juice grooves keeping things neat and tidy, even during your busiest cooking sessions. And guess what? These bamboo carving boards are more than just cutting boards. They're multi-purpose superstars. You can use them for serving up your favorite dishes, creating fancy charcuterie boards, or displaying a mouthwatering selection of cheeses. These sustainable bamboo boards have got you covered in the kitchen and beyond. So why settle for ordinary when you can have these versatile and eco-friendly bamboo carving boards? Number 5. Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer. The Vicaya stainless steel Mandoline slicer packs razor-sharp slicing precision without the fatigue of using a knife into this beautiful stainless steel and easy-to-store slicer. Perfect for those who love uniformity in their slices, shreds, or cuts. The built-in ultra-sharp blade does both conventional and julienne slicing with just a turn of the dial. Slice from paper thin all the way up to 9 mm thick. Equipped with safety gloves and a blade guard, this stainless steel Mandoline slicer is a dream come true for slicing and shredding tasks. Its sturdy construction ensures a smooth and stable operation, making quick work of even the most substantial projects. The sharp adjustable blades enable various thickness settings, giving you the freedom to customize your cuts to suit different recipes. Whether you're preparing salads, gratins, or garnishes, a stainless steel Mandoline effortlessly transforms your ingredients into uniform slices, saving you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Additionally, its sturdy build and non-slip base ensure stability and safety during use. Easy to clean and store, this kitchen essential elevates your culinary experience, allowing you to achieve impressive results with minimal hassle. From home cooks to professional chefs, a stainless steel Mandoline is an indispensable companion for precision slicing and efficiency in the kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.